Hey guys, it's me, Ricky the Raver. There's 3 things I like more than anything. Raving, porcelain rabbits, and fireworks. So you guys ready to see the greatest fireworks display you ever saw? You're gonna remember this for like the rest of your life. I guarantee that. First thing you want to do is you want to set up your porcelain rabbits just like so, because they're your friends, okay? And they want to watch the fireworks too. So you set up your little friends there, and then we get ready for the fireworks. This is gonna be the greatest display you ever fucking saw in your life. Like, I went all out on these fireworks. Okay, you ready? Here they are. Ah! 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 Oh God. Oh, that was intense. You guys ready for firework number 2? Here we go. Oh, my rabbits fell down. Hold on. It's okay, guys. It's alright. There you go. Alright, it's time for firework number 2. It's gonna be great. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, God damn it! Oh! I'm getting my rabbits! I'm getting the fuck out of here! I fucking hate fireworks! Look at my rabbits! I'm getting the fuck out of here! I fucking hate them! You son of a bitch! So yeah, that was like the greatest firework display you ever saw. Like, I set those fireworks off like a motherfucking man. You know, my boyfriend just left me recently. He left me for somebody uglier than me, so I'm just living my life right now. I'm just setting off fireworks. I'm raving a lot. I just bought a lot more porcelain rabbits, so things are looking up for me in the future. See you later, bitches.